Hi guys, I'm Joe Braun at Jones Bel Air Nissan, and I'm here to show you wireless Apple CarPlay on the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum. Come on, let's check it out. So we're gonna go ahead and start up the vehicle, and then we just go here to the connection screen, and we add new device. You're gonna go into your Bluetooth settings, hit add new on the screen, select My Rogue. It'll ask a few permissions like to pair and allow contacts, and within a few seconds you'll be connected. And they'll ask you to use Apple CarPlay, and you allow it on the screen. And moments later, the wireless Apple CarPlay will be fully connected, and you'll be able to use all the same features that you use with the standard Apple CarPlay on the screen. And you can even charge your phone down here while Apple CarPlay is connected. It's a lot simpler getting back in the second time. After you get out of the car, get back in. When you start the vehicle back up, Apple CarPlay will instantly connect, and you'll be able to use all the same features you use normally. You can even switch viewing options, have your navigation and your music as well. Once again, my name's Joe Braun, and that was wireless Apple CarPlay on the all-new 2021 Nissan Rogue Platinum. Check us out at belairnissan.com.